I'm about to give you the top 5 winning YouTube automation niches that you need to be starting in 2025 to completely dominate the YouTube automation market. And this niche list is designed to keep up with yearly trends and upcoming viral video ideas that will work throughout the year, setting you up for high views and high RPMs so that you can earn a lot of money from these niches. And it doesn't matter where you are in the journey. This can work for everyone. And today you are getting a list of 5 of these niches that I personally tested myself, went through my 5-step niche research process, and these niches have proven to work every single year. So these will put you in the best possible position and always will put you one step ahead of the competition. So let's go ahead and dive straight into the first niche. So niche number 1 is Portable Professional. And this is basically a travel tips channel. Now, travel channels are wildly interesting and trending in YouTube automation. This specific channel is more of a personal brand channel of this girl actually doing the travel videos herself. But a channel like this is actually very easy to do for YouTube automation too. This girl has 227,000 subscribers and 440 videos, and she is doing 3.5 million views every single month. Now, her videos are in length 10 minutes. So let's say on average, your RPM will probably be like $3-ish because travel niche doesn't pay very well in terms of RPM. But with 3.5 million views, you would still make 3,500 times 3, easily make over $10,000 a month in just ad revenue alone. And that is not considering travel deals and collaborations with companies that sell travel suitcases or bags or this or that, or like there's so many travel products that people sell. So I think with collaborations, you can make way more money than just the ad revenue alone. So some popular videos she is doing, as you can see here, she actually had a huge viral video here 2 days ago. Airline crackdowns, new rules and TSA changes you need to know in 2025. See, so these are basically just like top 5 or top 10 channels where she gives tips about what you can do and what you can't do while flying. So this travel channel is specifically about like flying and airport security and airport travel tips. See, here's the top 10 video, 10 things to never check in bags, airline carry-on rules you need to know. So rules are changing, rules change per airport, rules change per country. So there's a lot of different ideas you can start this with. And again, top 10 videos is easily to make with YouTube automation too. So let's look for another viral topic she had here. 1.5 million views, big one. New TSA carry-on rules you need to know. So see, this appears to be a very trending topic, like the TSA carry-on rules. Apparently they are changing a lot. I don't live in the US. I think this is mostly US-based content. So I don't know a lot about this, but yeah, here 2025 travel changes that could ruin your next trip. So yeah, people travel a lot, traveling will never stop, and rules are changing, getting more strict. This seems to be a very good topic and format. So you can try and copy this in a YouTube automation style. This channel easily makes over $10,000 a month. So a very good one to start with. Now our second niche is also related to traveling and cars. So, or to traveling and specifically to cars. So this channel is called Car Care Clues. It has 77,000 subscribers, only 62 videos, so very interesting. Let's see when it started actually. July 2024, so it's about like not even a year old. And as you can see, they only have 62 videos, so that's very impressive. Their channel is getting 3.6 million views. I think the car niche is a lot higher in RPM than the travel niche. Let's say they do $5 per 1,000 views, would easily make them over $15,000 a month in AdSense revenue alone. And I bet they get some cool collaborations and sponsorship deals with car companies or with like car gadget companies and stuff like that. Now let's see their latest video, 13 things only stupid people do to their car. See, so easy top 10 listicle videos about cars. 27 worst trucks for reliability, 90 things you should never do in an automatic car, 70 cars that simply never break down. See, very good title formats that they are doing. And yeah, these videos seem to be doing very well. Do this, 9 fuel myths stupid people fall for, you're wasting money. So you can easily start your own YouTube automation channel around these car clues and tips and trips around your car. You can focus it on specific brands for car. You can focus your channel. You can like repeat this, but for maybe another way of transport. So maybe not cars, but like planes, like the last video, maybe bicycles, maybe scooters, bikes, anything that's related to transport. You could basically do this for, where people are passionate about the product they are using, right? So very interesting. 62 videos only, and they make over $15,000 a month, easily to replicate with YouTube Automation Tool. Now let's get away from the traveling. We're going to the zoo. So this channel is called Zoo Chat, 33,000 subs, 111 videos. And they make some interesting type of animal videos. As you can see here, they are getting 11.7 million views every single month. Insane. So animals channels, the RPM is probably not great. 8-minute videos, I think it's going to be like an RPM of like $3. But even regardless of that, they make over $30,000 from AdSense revenue alone from these animal videos. Now let's see their popular videos here. So Rescue Dolphin helps its rescuers back when storm destroys. Wait, what? This title is not even like makes sense. Here, Rescued Polar Bear helps its injured rescuer back. Rescue Dolphin helps back its rescue ship in a Suez storm. These videos are wild, and it looks like these are AI animated videos too. Like, look, that is not even real footage. So this channel is making these insane looking AI videos with animals, and they are like filled with barnacles or like stuff on their skin, it seems like. And yeah, apparently people really love seeing this. I'm not gonna play a full video. This is a wild niche though. Sometimes you wonder what kind of people watch videos like this. Honestly, when I see this, I'm like, who watches this? Like fully AI, strange generated videos. I just noticed they have 2 or 4 minute videos, so the RPM is probably a lot lower because from 8 minutes on, you can put mid-roll ads in your videos, and then it's where like the real fun starts in terms of like RPM. But regardless, like with just so little videos, look, they have long form 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 30 videos long form, and they're doing like 11 million a month. That's pretty insane. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. So maybe they have a lot of shorts views or something. Yeah, it seems like it, right? Yeah, 7.7 million 200. So yeah, the revenue is probably a bit lower, but still, like for just 112 videos, they are getting a lot of views and making a lot of money too. Plus, people love animal videos. No matter how many channels there are, animal channels can always kick off like that. Now let's go into something higher quality and higher values. We are diving into this world. The channel is called Out of Bounds. It's a baseball or NBA channel. It only has 14 videos and 38,000 subscribers, and they are getting 2.2 million views a month. Sports channels RPM, they have 30-40 minute videos, so that's very long, which will increase the RPM. I think it's going to be like $5 RPM, so this channel does over 10K a month easily from AdSense revenue. And what this channel does is sort of like sports documentary channels. So as we can see, 10 days ago, 1.3 million views, very good viral video, by the way. The NBA star who physically couldn't make a normal pass. And then the thumbnail says, craziest passer ever. Second one here, how the shortest dunker ever humiliated everyone. Nobody could block him. He said they look for specific unique trades or unique styles or unique records. And then they make documentary style videos about these players. Now these channels are a bit harder to make. First of all, it's longer scripts. So like 30-40 minute scripts. And then you also need real life footage from that specific player when you're talking about him, of course. And you need like, when you think about like videos that are 30-40 minutes, you need to really think about the script and make like a good story framework out of it. Documentary style videos. So these are definitely higher in production cost, but as you can see, they are all getting a crazy amount of views, and they only have 13 or 14 long form videos up. So maybe they pay more per video and post less, but if they still make over 10K a month, then yeah, pick your poison, right? Do you want to post a lot of videos that are like lower quality, or do you want to post less video but super high quality? Everything works. It's just about you making it work. But sports niche is a very interesting niche. You can replicate the style of this channel in any sport that you like, because in every like famous sport, like UFC or soccer or NBA or whatever, you can do stories like this. So yeah, if you're a UFC fan, for example, yes, but for UFC fighters, do the exact same style, and then you probably know, if you're a fan, some crazy stories about specific fighters, and can do cool documentaries like this too. All right, so this is the 4 channels, sports, documentaries. Now we go to the last one. This one can be a bit controversial. It's called Black Journals. And the way, this is like a history channel, but it's specifically targeted at Black history only, which when you start a YouTube automation channel, I always think it's very good to go into one specific market for one sort of like avatar or audience that you're targeting. And if you sort of polarize your viewers by, let's say in this case, it's often done with politics, like left or right, but in this case, it's just targeted at Black people, which, yeah, that's just an audience that you can target. You can also do it maybe with white people, maybe with Asian people, like anything. But if you really pinpoint your target audience and only do videos about that, you sort of have like a cult-like following, which can really work in your favor if you do that over time. And then also make the branding congruent. See, they have the white and the red text. They have these AI generated images. Let's see what their better performing videos are. Here, I must watch something happen to sundown towns. Not sure what that means. Maybe it's some like news related to something like that. The untold evil world of black coats. History's darker secrets revealed. How their hate accidentally turned her into a millionaire. Let's see how much. They are still getting 600,000 views a month. So probably between $5,000 and $10,000 from this channel. Let's see what the most popular videos are. Untold abuse of black male slaves by white women. Untold abuse of black male slaves by white women. Again, so they found a viral topic and then they kept making it. See, 100 things you didn't know were invented by black people. See, so yeah, everything is related to the black community and they really jumped in on this topic. So maybe you can think about doing something like this for another ethnicity, for example. This is fully done YouTube automation channel too. And these were the 5 YouTube automation niches I have for you today. Now, if you are excited about this and you want to start your YouTube automation journey, I would recommend you to click the link in the description to my free YouTube automation challenge. This is a 5-day challenge that you can join for free. And in here, I have over 800 people who run YouTube automation channels too. And you can talk with the community, you can talk with me. I also give live calls in here. I have case studies of my successful clients in here. But the best part is that if you go to the classroom and then go here, there is 5 videos, see 5 challenge days, and you can take my free challenge here. So every step of the challenge takes you to one of the 5 fundamental steps to starting a YouTube automation business and actually start running it and actually doing it. I keep you accountable with action steps that you need to post and give you homework. I give you a lot of downloadable sheets that you can use to actually get your channel started and get it off the ground as quickly as possible. So yeah, I would love you to click the link in the description and join this free challenge. I also have like a paid program, a coaching community, but you can join this for free right now. And I would recommend you doing that if you're actually serious about starting YouTube automation in 2025. You've just seen 5 potential niches that you can get started with, but just watching this video is not going to do anything. It can give you some ideas and information, but in the end, it's all about you taking action and getting something started yourself. So join the community and learn the fundamental steps to what it actually takes to start a YouTube automation channel, okay? I'll see you there. I hope you like this. And leave any feedback in the comments or questions about the niches that we covered today.